Web 3.0 is the term you hear consistently if you're involved with cryptocurrency, as blockchain technology and smart contracts usher in the next generation internet and a new paradigm in web interaction. The most fundamental changes, however, will be how the developers create websites and applications, changing the way end users interact with them. As it stands, we are in the infancy stages of Web 3.0, where many different players are going to be competing for their slice of the new web pie. This competition between players in the space creates many opportunities for not only the investors or the end users, but also for developers, as there are differing incentives to build on each platform. Today I would like to highlight a project who just released their smart contract language for dApps on the mainnet. It is providing the essential tools and resources for developers to make building those dApps a breeze. That project is Waves. Waves has been kind enough to support the channel and sponsor this video, and we can't thank them enough for keeping this channel going. Waves is taking a different approach to Web 3.0 than other projects like Ethereum, which expect all computations to happen on a slow and inefficient blockchain. It's a fact right now, a dApp with hundreds of thousands of daily users just wouldn't work on Ethereum in its current state. Waves features a balanced mixture of decentralized and centralized technologies for its dApps. The decentralized layer takes care of certain things, like things that involve tokens and value transfer, while the centralized layer takes care of heavy computations and things like encrypted data storage, not involving critical functions needing the utmost security. Like mentioned, Waves just launched their smart contract programming language for dApps on the mainnet, called Ride for dApps, and this was included with the update Waves Node 1.0. This allows developers to build full-fledged dApps utilizing the benefits of the Waves blockchain, like a healthy transactions per second of 100 plus. With the correct optimizations, the Waves blockchain can hit 1,000 TPS. Scalability isn't an issue. Now, the base RIDE language is a blockchain scripting language, which enables smart blockchain transactions. The language has strong static typing and no loops, recursions, or go-to expressions, and therefore is not Turing complete. After seeing the vulnerabilities and edge cases that arose on Ethereum, Waves' RIDE language is deliberately non-Turing complete to protect developers from such mistakes and crippling vulnerabilities. Although Turing completeness can still be achieved by spreading operations over consecutive blocks. Thus, RIDE offers a flexible but safe solution for on-blockchain computation. Waves uses a smart account-based model where all assets and data associated with an account are bound to its public key. Ride for dApps is being introduced to grant a smart account a way of assigning programmable functions to itself and its tokens. These are callable functions, which allow it to send or receive payments in Waves or other tokens, as well as change the account or the dApp status. This design has made the Waves RIDE language fast, secure, efficient, easy to learn, and extremely easy to deploy. And one of the major benefits is fixed fees for the execution of any type of script. No variable and ever-changing gas fees and gas limits like Ethereum. This results in the limitation of a script's complexity, which is great for developers because writing an Ethereum Solidity can become a daunting task for those who are new to it. Here is a comparison of a 2 out of 3 multi-signature smart contract written in both RIDE and Ethereum Solidity. It's obvious to see that creating this type of smart contract is a much easier task for developers, leaving them more time to work on things like UI and other functionality. Now, if you're a developer or IT professional watching this from home, Waves is looking for you to build dApps on their platform. Even if you're not a developer, but you are still interested in programming and dApp development, Waves will welcome you with open arms and teach you how to build dApps with the RIDE language, but having previous technical chops will definitely help. Waves currently has a free online course out called Mastering Web 3 with Waves. This is a dApps programming online course, which will provide you with all the information and resources needed to build your first dApp. The course is made up of 5 weekly classes and 1 extra class. Each class includes several video lectures, a quiz, and an online code writing challenge. The Waves team is highly involved with the course, and they provide a Q&A session for developers if they need clarification before the commencement of the classes each week. Also, to make the course as close to the real-world environment as possible, throughout the duration, participants will work on developing a large dApp project called Coupon Bazaar, an online service for coupons and coupon auctions. The course is being conducted through stepik.org, and you can easily sign up for the course by registering with the link I have provided in the description. Joining is super simple. Just enter a name, email, password, and click register, and you are signed up and can begin working on the first week's class, which is the preparation stage, giving you the required tools and tutorials needed to succeed. Like the first one, setting up a simple Node.js application. Of course, if you are quick and a fast learner, you can bust this all out as quick as you like, but Waves has recommended doing a class per week. Besides learning about dApp development and essential tools that are going to become part of Web 3.0, you can actually turn your knowledge and skills into revenue through Waves. Waves has created the Waves Labs, which is an initiative for supporting talented developers and promising ideas focusing on building decentralized technologies and the new Web 3.0. Waves Labs consists of two main pieces, which developers and project teams can apply for funding. This includes the Waves Incubator and Waves Grants. Waves Grants was launched back in January and has been a huge success. It is development grants for both startups and individuals. 1 million Waves has been set aside for these grants, and the total size of these grants is determined on a case-by-case basis. So if you're able to learn Waves development and have an idea, you can get that idea funded by simply submitting an application. Since the launch of the grants, Waves has issued 4 different batches to 29 different participants, all providing unique solutions using Waves technology. But Waves also has the larger Waves Incubator, which is offering up to 100,000 Waves for each incubated project, much larger than the grants. This is for more complex dApps using the Ride for dApps language, and if chosen, besides the 100,000 Waves, you also get full tech support from the Waves team, as well as PR and marketing assistance. They're looking for some specific use cases like a DAO, decentralized auctions, prediction markets, decentralized games, decentralized gambling, Waves token exchange, and an Oracle launcher. But if you have your own idea for a useful dApp, please submit it because they are open to everything. Well, viewers, the Ride for dApps launch on the mainnet has been long awaited, and with it, we will see a blossoming ecosystem being built. The developers and IT professionals who watch my channel have a chance to begin building on this early, with Waves providing a thorough course teaching you exactly how to create a dApp, and then incubating your skills if you can contribute to the ecosystem, something you will find nowhere else. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.